Natural disasters, also referred to as natural hazards or extreme, sudden events caused by environmental factors such as storms, floods, droughts, fires, and heat waves. Natural disasters are now occurring with increasing severity, scope, and impact. When we explore natural disasters in the context of planetary health, we are utilizing a systems thinking approach to grasp the complexities and anthropogenic drivers relating a given disaster to causes and effects. Globally, twice as many people were affected by natural disasters in the 1990s versus in the 1980s, and global annual economic losses from extreme events increased tenfold over the past 4 decades. Heat waves, droughts, fires, floods, tropical storms, and other natural disasters pose long-term health consequences. For example, particulate matter from fires reduces air quality and causes morbidity and mortality from cardiorespiratory disease. Flooding can cause biological contamination of water supplies, displacement, and trauma. More intense coastal storms, combined with sea level rise and loss of coastal barrier systems, mangrove forests, vegetated dunes, coral reefs, and wetlands, generate a triple threat for inhabitants of low-lying coastal areas. Survivors of natural disasters face serious, yet poorly understood, physical and mental health impacts. It must be a priority to investigate trends in exposure to natural hazards, which populations are most vulnerable, and effective practices for reducing vulnerability. Some phenomena that produce natural disasters may be caused by a combination of several different forces. For example, landslides, the movement of large masses of rock, debris, and soil downslope may be caused by rains that saturate the soil on an unstable slope, or they may be triggered by earthquakes. In a similar manner, the buildup of snow on mountain slopes increases the risks of localized avalanches. Tsunamis, catastrophic ocean waves that can rise as high as 30 meters, about 100 feet above normal sea level, are produced by submarine earthquakes, underwater or coastal landslides, volcanic eruptions, or meteor or comet impacts. The largest tsunamis are fast-moving waves that can travel across oceans to wreak havoc in coastal areas separated thousands of kilometers from one another. Weather and climate-driven natural disasters include flooding caused by heavy rains associated with hurricanes and typhoons, tropical cyclones, and other intense storms, drought, famine, and wildfires brought on by heat waves and shifts in precipitation patterns. Wind-generated devastation caused by tropical cyclones, tornadoes, derricos, and other windstorms, and damage and loss of life caused by blizzards and heavy snowfalls. Earth-driven natural disasters include large volcanic eruptions which produce lava flows, explosions,